Hi guys, I'm Jessie Janae, founder of Lumi, and you're watching Unboxing Things, a show all about unboxing things, where we unbox your favorite e-commerce brands, and instead of talking about their products, which are pretty great, we talk all about the box, because here at Lumi, we help brands make their packaging. So let's see who's in our handy dandy mailbox today. Ooh, this box is kind of mysterious looking. It's Dirty Lemon. Dirty Lemon is an awesome e-commerce health drink company. Their OG formula was this really tasty lemon charcoal, but they've since expanded off that lemon base to do things like ginseng, matcha, CBD, all sorts of tasty stuff. So let's talk about their box. First things first, it's a really striking black box. And not only that, it's got a shine to it, which means it is not bare craft. So this is not just ink on craft, this is actually a lithographic print put onto this box. What does it mean? This was printed onto a piece of paper and then applied to the box in some fashion via lithographic printing. Why would a brand do this? One, I guess they like crispy text. Who doesn't? The other thing is that it actually really kind of upgrades the whole look and feel of the box because it adds kind of a nice shiny texture to the box. When brands upgrade to litho-lamination and do a print and make their box silky smooth and black, they are trying to make an impression. And an impression they have made. When this puppy lands on my doorstep, I'm like, whoa, my Dirty Lemon is here. What else can I tell from the outside of the box? Well, this is a standard RSC style box. That means I got two flaps here with some tape, two flaps here with some tape. RSC stands for regular slatted container. Boring name, but a great concept because with the upgraded spending that they're doing on the print style, they're saving a bit by doing that box style. And you've got some nice messaging. It says, open now, refrigerate immediately. I would say that this is really fun and direct messaging because it's telling me immediately what I need to do so the product doesn't get ruined. So this is actually key to brilliant packaging, is the last thing you want is the packaging to be confusing or not lead the customer to using the product appropriately. This is Dirty Lemon Beverages, so you've got some nice branding here, nothing on the bottom, which is good. And of course, there's a perfect size shape here on the flap for your shipping label, nice and clean. I'm going to get a nice little blade out because as a box professional, I like to open boxes with a blade. So I'm opening this here. Cool. Okay, I don't know what I'm looking at, but it already looks cool. I can tell that this is insulation. It's to keep my product nice and cool before it arrives to me. I like how it's got a space vibe though. There's a nice pack in here. Very importante. Ooh, it's a hot day here. I'm going to grab the product itself. Boom. Ooh. So here I can see what's going on. The product is nicely packaged with some shrink wrap, and then it's in a corrugate tray. But I'm gonna put that to the side for a second here. So now you can see that the box itself is really just this corrugate shipper with the litho print, and then you've got your insulation. That's the whole thing. This box is really easy to break down for recycling because you should be recycling your boxes at home. If you aren't, just, I don't know how you sleep at night. And then boom, when these flaps come out, it just crushes down like that. Really easy. And this is also how this box comes on pallets. So you can see in fulfillment that it's pretty convenient. Take this puppy off a pallet, boom, oh hey. And then of course, okay, I almost fell, guys, so I picked this back up. What I love about this insulation is it's got this spacey metallic outside, which really kind of feels like it fits the brand. So this is intentional. Keep that in mind, people, when you're unboxing something. Everything is intentional. Let's finish over here. I'm going to actually open the shrink wrap so I can look at that corrugate tray. So shrink wrap is a really cool material as well. It actually starts loose and it gets put around the product, and the product goes through a tunnel and it goes and it shrinks together. Really cool way of holding things together without using very much material. So corrugate tray, nifty, right? Very similar to that lithographic look that you've got on the outside of the box. Actually, they match pretty much perfectly. But this box is craft on the inside. This one though is flood-coated black on the inside. Really nice. It's got a tray vibe, and we're gonna actually open it to show you that the construction of it is really kind of similar to a mailer style box. It looks pretty simple, right? Now, this is a thinner gauge corrugate. I'm grabbing my handy dandy flute identifier. So this is an E-flute. And so this is a very thin gauge of corrugate because you don't need really heavy duty for the tray. You can tell that one side is shiny and the other side is not shiny. So this side, the non-shiny side, is just black ink flood coated over craft. And this side is actually that lithographic printing again, increased expense, but it makes it so that these two items match perfectly. So if this is E-flute, what is this guy? I'll take care of that for you guys. Oh my God, you guys, this is an A-flute. I don't know how to explain this to everyone at home. Wow. The A-flute is not like so rare that you never see it, but it's just very rare in e-commerce. It's a very thick flute. With this thicker corrugate, not only are they getting more strength, so the box can support more weight and kind of keep the structure together, but also they're getting a mild insulation property that will only increase kind of holding the cold in. The only other thing we haven't dug into here is what is this insulation made out of? I can't tell just by wearing it as a hat, so I guess we're gonna have to cut it open. You can tell that the exterior is made of this silver material, the interior is made of a white plastic, and when I peel this open, you can see that I've got a kind of an open cell foam in here to actually keep things cool and together. You can tell that this part is meant to go over and hold the top part of the box. So this is a custom-made insulation piece for Dirty Lemon to actually keep your product cold on its way. I think it's time for the recap. So what have we learned about Dirty Lemon packaging? Well, for one, it's bold. Having this all black box land on my doorstep is quite a statement. The other thing is unexpected. For an all-natural beverage that's really good for me, you might expect subtler branding, but Dirty Lemon doesn't go for that. They love contrast and they love being unexpected. And then it's crispy. You see this text here, the crispness, the contrast. I love that about this brand, about how they're really going for it, especially with this lithographic print. That's Dirty Lemon Unboxed.